Today I am going to teach you about adjectives. What is an adjective? A word that describes noun or a pronoun is known as adjective. An adjective is most common word. An adjective is the most common word type, and it's very important part of English. With the help of adjective, we can describe noun, pronoun, its shape, size, color, materials, age, speed, appearance. We can describe our with the hair, and if with the proper adjective we can clear our picture or our message in front of our audiences more understandably. There are 7 types of adjectives. They are qualitative adjectives, quantitative adjectives, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and proper adjective. Now I will explain you one by one. Okay. Qualitative adjectives. With the name itself, it's very easy to understand that what is qualitative. Qualitative adjective means it explains about the quality of the noun or a pronoun. For example, beautiful dress, a big box, a long belt, like this. Okay. Then it comes quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective is an adjective which tells us about the quantity of the noun or about the things we are talking about. Okay. Again, quantitative adjective is again divided under 2 heads: indefinite and definite. Indefinite means we can't be very much accurate about the numbers, but yeah, we can imagine it like few chocolates, some flowers, then some boys, like this. Okay, there is no particular number given. And in definite adjectives we say the particular number or the position, and again it is like cardinal, ordinal, and in fraction form. Cardinal means 1, 2, 3, 4, which we can count. Okay, 2 pencils, 4 rubbers, like this. Ordinal means mostly it defines about the positions, like he stood first in the class, she came second in the class, she first, second, like. And fraction means half cup of milk, quarter cup of water, quarter glass water, like this. Okay, this is quantitative. Next comes interrogative. When an adjective is used to pose a question, is known as interrogative adjective. Like, which country did you visit last year? What gift did you give to your mom on Mother's Day? Like, which, what, these are forming a question regarding the noun, mother, country, like this. Okay. Demonstrative adjective helps us to point out noun and a pronoun we are talking about. It is useful when you want to make clear which noun, pronoun we are talking about. Okay, like, those shoes are not comfortable to me. That dress looks cute, beautiful. This is my pen. So we are saying in a definite form: this, that, those, like this. Then comes the distributive adjective. It is a singular noun. It usually used with a singular noun. It refers to an individual in a group. For example, each book should be kept in a series. Each books, there are too many books. Each means every single book. So every nation is proud of their culture. Neither of the students were present in the ground. So neither, every, each. This is from a group we are identifying single. Okay. Then comes emphasizing possessive noun. It indicates about the ownership or the possession of belongingness of the things. His car is red. Her bag, her. Our job is due. His cat is cute. For this last, comes the proper adjective. Proper adjective is the form of proper noun. When proper noun modifies or describe other noun, it becomes an adjective. So a proper adjective allows us to summarize a concept in one word. For example, Chinese food, instead of saying food cooked in Chinese recipe. Then KFC burger, like this. Okay, means particular.